Okay, so today we have a GE Z-Wave Plus wireless smart light switch. This is the model I have. So what happened was I actually had a GE Z-Wave non-plus switch and it died. We had a power failure, it died. I called them up and I got it replaced under warranty from GE Jasco. So it's good that they were able to warranty it. When it came in, I actually got a Z-Wave Plus device. So I actually forgot to add this piece to my video, which is coming up on me setting up on my network, but thought I would come back and show you. So one thing you definitely want to make sure going forward is make sure you have the Z-Wave Plus. It's the newer technology. Yeah, here we go. It shows you the differences. Um, so you see it's faster, more memory, more efficient, supports wireless upgrades of future-proofing your home. I don't know about that yet. Still works with all certified Z-Wave devices now. So here we go. Um, this device will still require an auxiliary switch if you want to do a three-way. I'm going to the Zooz Z-O-O-Z light switches. I like them a little better. The toggle is not as pointy and it's a little wider. It's more like a real switch, which I like a lot more. But once again, this came in. It is a Z-Wave Plus device, so I thought I would give it a shot, install it. The one thing I do like about the GEs over the Zooz, the Z-O-O-Z, I have an ongoing issue. You stick the ground wire in, you tighten it, and the wire actually pop out. You got to fuss with it, but eventually when you get it in there, what you end up finding out is this hole here, as you tighten that screw, it pulls a piece of metal up to clamp. Well, the GEs, they actually go beyond this hole. The Zoos end up in the middle, which is really frustrating because the I'm not doing anything wrong. I've tried it numerous times. I've tried a couple different switches, and you actually have to cut down the screw that goes in there for the faceplate. So that's a little frustrating, a little annoying. So I thought I would show you this. Now we'll go ahead. We'll get on to setting the device up with HomeSeer Z-Tool, checking it out in Z-Seer, and how it's laid out in my HomeSeer application, how it shows up and what it looks like. Thank you very much, and on to the next piece. Welcome back. I thought I'd give this another try. I figured we can use TeamViewer to actually get a better video of what was going on. So I had one of my X10 light switches, another one, die on me. I think these LED bulbs are killing my switches. To which I had a GE toggle switch, and that GE toggle switch is a Z-Wave Plus, so I just installed it. I'm actually walking around the house away from the computer. This is going to work. So I thought I'd show you the Z-Tool Plus. Let's go ahead and launch it. So let's give us a shot. It says add device. It says activate node. It says new node is being added. So what I did was I had to triple tap it. Eventually it went in. So here we go. Jasco switch. Let's call this family room thing. Fan lights. Alright. Floor. Going to be first floor. Room. Family room. Okay. Let's say done. Alright. So we scroll through here. This is node 31. We see found some stuff. Let me run back downstairs to my computer. Now, I can put my, don't turn your phone. All right, so back at my PC. So here we go. So we have this part done. So now what we will do is we will do, let's find, all right, Z-Seer Plus. Let's go ahead and launch this. All right, reading through. Like we said, it was node 31 is our new node. Could not contact node 10. Oh, there's something going on. All right. Here we go. Look around. I kind of put them in numerical order just so I know what's going on. Here we go. Here's 31. So this is new. And it has already found 21 neighbors. It's a direct connection. And it's a 100K switch. So I really don't need to do much. We double click. We see it's a direct connect. I love this tool for this. Included with HomeSeer Pro. Alright, so we're good there. Next step, I was on a video as you see, trying to do the team viewer. Alright, let's do, I'm going to log in. Alright, so here we go. Let's do family room. Should just be an on-off, extras tree, family room, ceiling, fan, and lights. Here we go. Alright, we're setting up voice. I have the Google device, Google Home. So you usually have to set that up. Oh, actually, let's take another look. So, this was my old device, my old X10, so I'm actually in the wrong device. Let's look back again. Let's just do it the easy way. Family room. Alright, here's what we got. Here it is. Here's the new one right here. It has no last change or anything. So let's do family room ceiling lights. Here we go. Family room ceiling fan. We'll just call it ceiling fan for voice. Z-Wave. Here we go. So everything else is here. Node 31. We're good. All right. So that worked pretty nice. Let's go back to Team Viewer. Close this out. All right. Now, let's see if I can get this to go. Alright, this is just a default template. I haven't gotten around to make my own because I'm not quite sure how to do that. Now, one of the cool things to do with the ceiling fan is, let's go upstairs with my phone and try it. So I have other light switches which are from GE, but they're not Z-Wave Plus. Z-Wave Plus, GE do not support two-way status. So right now I'm going to turn on the switch right now. And bang, here we go. HSTouch shows it's on. Shows it's off, shows it's on and off. Now, some people may say, well, kind of who cares? Well, I could tell you one thing. In my front porch light, my kids run up the steps, they slam all the switches, and they turn all the lights on. So I have an event set up where if the time is daytime and that light comes on, it just shuts off. All right. As you can see, I have a Concord 4 alarm system, four green checks. They're good. My fish tank has a Oregon Scientific THC 138 temperature sensor in it. I have fish tank main and fish tank lights. Fish tank main is also one of these X10 switches I have to replace. The fish tank lights is a Intermatic Z-Wave appliance module. And if the main gets powered off, HomeSeer has an event to automatically power it back on. Alright, so we still have this guy here, ceiling fan and lights. And I've renamed it this way. I'm still trying to figure out which way I want to name it. I think due to voice, it's not a big deal. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's just call it ceiling fan and lights. Because we have this for Hey Google to understand the turn on. Alright, let's do done here. Now, my old device says this one, F10, so it's X10. Delete. And there we go. So, that's pretty much self-explanatory and easy. I can show you one more thing. Let's do Z-Wave controller management. Let's do, here we go. Go ahead and just test connectivity. see what the items that were not connected, what they are, but we should also see 31 pop up in the list. Garage track lights, it's unplugged. Having an issue with X10 switch out there going bad. And I just decided to unplug it. Okay, 31. First family ceiling fan lights. There we go. It was simple, it was short, it was sweet, it was easy. Hopefully it showed you a little bit more. And have a good one.